Take out your English language books. Yes, open the lesson. What is happening now? Page number 43. Page number 43. What is happening now? हाँ बेटे, but this exercise we will do D1. D we have not done na. D. Okay. Okay बेटा. Page number 43. D question. D is clear to you all? Fill in the blanks with is or are and the ing form of the doing words in the brackets. Okay, one by one you will tell me. Abdullah Atif. Number 1. Father dash the tap. You have to use is or are. Where do we use is and where do we use are? Father dash the tap. Is. And you have to use ing form of the doing word also. Is you have to use or are and ing form. So fix में जब आप ing if you add, it will become fix plus ing. Fixing. Yes. So number 1 will be father. Father is singular. So for singular we use is. For singular nouns we use is. Is. And if plural is there we will use are. Okay. So father is fixing the tap. Clear children? Number 2. Agrim Pratap. Agrim. Number 2. Mother dash the plants. Bracket water. Mother is watering. Very good. Very good. Mother is watering the plants. So what will be the spelling of watering, Agrim? Spelling of watering. Yes. Alizba Khan. Alizba, are you there? Alizba. Okay, Amira.
Yes, ma'am.
Sunil dash the glass. Clean. Bracket word is clean.
It's cleaning.
Sunil is cleaning. Sunil is cleaning the glass. Okay, spelling of cleaning beta. Yes, very good. Cleaning, cleaning. Okay. Anisha. Anisha, open your... Yes. One bird dash in the sky. Fly. Bracket word is fly. One bird dash in the sky. Yes. What happened, Shashwat? What happened?
May I go to washroom, ma'am?
Go, beta, go. One bird dash in the sky. Anisha?
Yeah.
Anisha is not telling. Atharv Gupta,
Yes, ma'am.
tell the answer. One bird dash in the sky.
One flying in the sky.
Is also you have to put ना is and are. What will you put? यहाँ पे आपको टू चीजें बोली है. Two things you have to put. Is or are and ing form of the verb. So one bird is flying in the sky or one bird are flying in the sky. What will be the correct answer? Bird is singular. One bird means one bird. Singular noun na. We are talking about one only na. So with singular nouns we use is. Okay. So one bird is flying in the sky. Right? Because bird जब singular जब कोई भी चीज singular, if anything is singular in the sentence, just check it out. Singular noun is there or plural noun is there. If singular noun is there, use is, and if plural noun is there, use are. A-R-E, are. So it is saying one bird. One bird मतलब सिर्फ एक ही bird है. Only one bird. So it is a singular noun, and with singular noun we use is. I-S, is. Clear? Clear, Atharv?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Izan? Izan.
Yes, ma'am.
Two birds, number 5. Two birds dash on the floor of the house.
Sit करता है. Sit. Are sitting.
Are sitting. Very good. Two birds are sitting. Okay. Then number 6. The birds dash happily. Jason. Jason is not there. You tell. 5th one.
Teacher is.
Hmm.
Teacher is.
Hmm.
Teaching.
Teacher is teaching.
Teacher is teaching his stories.
Not this one. D1 I'm asking. D1. Tell me D1. Yes. D, question number 5.
Question number 5. Two
Birds
birds are
sitting.
birds are sitting.
Yes, on the roof of the house. Very good, Manvi. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Next, Musa, number 6.
Yes, ma'am. The birds are singing.
Happily. Very good. Naman. Very good, Musa. Naman, number 7. The sun dash brightly. The sun. Come near the microphone, Naman. I can't hear you. Okay, Naman, I can't hear you. Pavki Mishra.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Pavki, tell the seventh one.
Okay, ma'am. The sun is shining.
Hmm.
The sun is shining brightly.
Okay, very good. Next, Sanvi.
Yes, ma'am.
Sunil is happy. He dash.
He is smiling.
Smiling. What is the spelling of smiling here? L-S-I-N-G? No. S-M-I-L-I-N-G. E नहीं बेटा. L-I. We have to use ing form of the word. E will be removed. E को हम remove कर देंगे. We will make the spelling S-M-I-L-I-N-G. Okay? This you will write S-M-I-L-I-N-G. Smiling. आप क्या बोल रहे हो? When you speak smiling, na? S-M-I, smile, then ling, L-I-N-G, smiling. Okay? Then Sarah,
Yes, ma'am.
tell ninth one, beta. Everyone dash something. Is doing. What will be the spelling of doing?
D-O-I-N-G.
Very good. Next is Sashwat.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Sashwat. Tell me third one. Sunil dash the class. Cleaning. What cleaning? Is cleaning or cleaning?
I-S-S.
Is cleaning. Spelling of cleaning, Sashwat?
W-C-L-E-A-N-I-N-G.
Okay, beta. Then Tanishtha.
Yes, ma'am.
Number 6. The birds dash happily.
The birds are singing happily.
Very good, very good. Now this exercise is done today. Those who have done in the register, it's okay. Those who have not done will do it. Okay, from the book with correct spelling. And this chapter is also over. Now, randomly I am going to ask you the definition of doing words. Izan Abidi. Izan. Open your microphone. Izan Abidi.
Yes, ma'am.
What are doing words? Give 3 examples. Quickly tell me. How many times we have revised, children? So many times we have revised. So many times. Sarah. Yes, beta. Tell what are doing words.
A word is a word that tells us about what person, animal, or thing do. It is a doing word or an action word.
Okay. What?
Example: I am jumping on the bed. Ram drinks milk. Ramu playing with his friends.
Ramu is playing with his friends. And what person, animal or thing does. DOES does लगाएंगे आप. ठीक है बेटा सारा? Does. Yes, does will be there. Now Pavki Mishra. Pavki. Pavki, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me what are doing words. The 3 examples.
Okay, ma'am. A word is a word that tells us about what animal or person, place, or animal or thing does it. It is a doing words or action word.
Example. You don't have to say place. Okay, you have to tell place. तो कोई एक्शन कर नहीं पाएगा ना बेटा. People, animal and thing. What does a person, animals or things do? Okay, what they do or what according to definition does. Okay. So आपकी example is not learned. I read books. Bird flies in the sky. Ram drinks milk. We sleep at night. Okay, so many are there. Now, Manvi. Manvi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Tell the definition of verb. What is a verb? Give 3 examples.
That tells us about animal or thing.
About animals. How's animal? Animal के बारे में बताते हैं. Animal की क्या बताते हैं? What about animal? That tells us about what a person, animal or thing does.
Animal or thing.
Does मतलब वो क्या करते हैं. Okay, हमें वो जो उनके actions हैं. It is also called a doing word or an action word. Okay. Okay, children. Now this period is over. Take out social studies.